Unity is strength. Discovering the power of togetherness. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, strength in unity. This phrase is not just about language, but it also carries a deep meaning about collaboration and teamwork. Let's dive into what this phrase means and how you can use it in everyday conversation. Strength in unity is a proverb that emphasizes the idea that we are stronger when we work together than when we are alone. The word strength refers to power, durability, or capability. Unity means being together or at one with someone or something. So, when we say strength in unity, we're saying that there is power and resilience when individuals come together to form a group. The phrase, strength in unity, has been used throughout history in various cultures and movements. It's often associated with political, social, or cultural causes where people must band together to overcome challenges. This phrase teaches us an important life lesson. When we combine our efforts, skills, and resources, we can achieve more than we can alone. You might hear strength in unity in various contexts. For instance, during team sports, a coach might say this to motivate the team to work together. In a community facing a crisis, this phrase can be used to encourage solidarity and cooperation. It's a phrase that inspires hope and collective effort. Now, let's talk about how you can use strength in unity in your own conversations. You might use it when discussing teamwork in a project, or to express the importance of family and friends sticking together during tough times. It's a phrase that can be both inspiring and a call to action. Thank you for joining us today to learn about the phrase, strength in unity. Remember, this phrase is not just about language. It's a powerful reminder of what we can accomplish when we come together. We hope this lesson has been informative and inspiring. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.